Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today, our topic is reason to why the aspirants fail to clear the PGMEE exam. Total 5 reasons I am going to explain here. First one, are not aware of the entire competition. Examinees or test takers take the PGMEE exam casually and go unprepared, not knowing the about the competition. This time in PGMEE 2015, around 80,000 candidates are competing for 5,500 seats. This means less than 7% selection rate. Out of this, many seats are for reserved categories and almost half of are non-clinical. But when you prepare at home or in your institute, you are competing against very less students. This is not a good number to get a taste of reality. So now it's 2020, guys. So you have to remember this is not 2015, but in 2020, its reason is correct. Lot of doctors are not aware the entire competition. They don't know the depth of MCQs. They don't know the pattern. That's why they are failing the exam. Okay. Now, second reason, candidates are sometimes weak in particular subject. It is usually seen that candidates are so weak in a single subject that they waste a lot of time trying to answer those questions and eventually leave the questions unattempted. Many people don't even always know their weak subject. The only way to address this problem is by practicing and knowing your weak areas. Okay. Time management issue. Candidate feels that 3 hours are not sufficient to attempt 300 questions. The exam anxiety makes it even more difficult to attempt 100 questions in 60 minutes in PGMEE. The way you manage your time becomes the deciding factor of whether you will clear the exam or not. Non-familiarity with online platform. The candidates are used to giving the test traditional mode of paper, pen, proper pen, and the presence of online platform makes them uneasy. It is seen that aspirants have been unaware on how to operate the software used to take the exam. A few test takers did not know how to mark a particular question or how to review the marked question. Test takers find it difficult to scan all questions of the exam. These candidates will not be able to clear the cut off because while everyone else will be answering the question, they will be struggling with the software. Okay. A piece of advice for the repeaters of PGMEE. Use your knowledge, experience to your advantage and prepare well in advance. You must be knowing where you went wrong and what to expect and why now. By now, you also know which areas are to work on. You must have covered the syllabus by now and have enough time to fine tune your attempt strategy. In addition, you also know how to schedule your studies well, and this all will go handy in planning in advance and in planning well. Clearing PGMEE with a good rank is no big deal if you keep these common errors in mind and are able to overcome the above mentioned hurdles successfully. So guys, my final message is that why you are failing in the exam, according to my experience, those who are appearing in exam, their theory is not clear and they don't know what kind of questions they like to ask, and they are not able to prepare enough MCQs. And please go through a little bit theory about all subjects, because now you have time in your hands, and do not repeat all mistakes which you repeat in your past attempts. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. Regarding Neet PG exam, if you want to know how to crack, I will help you. You can address me on my email address dr.hemantsharma223@gmail.com. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.